hear the cracking. Big hole to the world. Guys, don't build a house. Your life gets overly complicated. Now we have to clean the house because it's an absolute mess. Another day and more progress. Look at this. We have a walkway. I don't think I'm allowed to walk on here yet. Hmm?
Oh.
This might be a bit...
You just step on the metal.
Yeah.
Going the other side better, you're so heavy.
Yeah. Ooh. I feel like I'm walking a tightrope. Oh, oh, it feels very long. They're gonna fill this with concrete.
Yeah, later.
But not today. It was supposed to be done today, but
Today.
oh, they're still doing it today. Okay, awesome. Yeah, so guys, we've got progress. Oh, what's all that? So the roof panels have been built in. And there's still some left over on the floor. All the cutting, they've been cutting like crazy here. And all the cement boards are in. So what we're going to do is, because this is still the outside wall from when it was before we built the extension, we're going to add some cement boards here and paint the same color as the rest of the room, and then you can't see that it's an outside wall. That window over there will get covered, and we add another toilet because that's our toilet inside there, so that window will actually move to the outside. This is going to be a sliding door, and that's all window and another big window. So they'll start building the windows shortly. One of the guys that works here on the team, he makes windows. So he's already agreed. We've already agreed the cost and everything. It's just that he's busy doing the cement over there, that walkway. That's his responsibility. That's his little project. So once he's done with that, then he can do the windows for us, and then we're getting close to finishing, plus the tiles. Yeah, we still need the tiles, which we've already bought. If you remember in the previous video, we bought all our tiles in City Hardware. Yeah. This is what it looks like. Wow. Very good. Even if it rains, at least the guys are able to work. That's a plus. And we've got so much insulation. We bought this glass fiber insulation, see, which is really good, which we combined with, you can see the other one, no, it's over here. We combined that one with this normal insulation, the silver foam thing that's commonly used around here. So we've got that layer first, then the fiberglass behind it, and we built that into the walls, so that at least when the sun shines, we get a little bit of protection from the heat, because we've learned our lesson with the inside with the first house. With just the silver, it's not enough. It gets very warm. So now we've got everything protected with glass fiber, and in the roof there's also insulation. Yeah. So you learn. Yeah, this is going to be nice. There'll be it's basically a balcony, a walk around balcony. So it'll have a railing all along here. And Shella will have lots of space for her plants, which in the past were just all along there and down the stairs. Oh dear, let me try and walk this tightrope again. Oh yeah, I can hear the cracking. Oh my god. I made it. Very nice. I can smell it from outside already. So I'm walking back from the back section. I can just smell the food. Yeah, we just had a typhoon pass through, so it's still cloudy. It was really windy yesterday. At least it's a bit calm.
Pathway going to the other room. So I can put my flower there now.
we're going to have a passageway all the way from the back, bottom to the back.
Stop by in EO, Executive Optical. He's buying his lens solution, guys. It's nice. We always buy our glasses in here. Sunglasses, glasses, and the contact lens. Skip the Robinson. We're always in Robinson. Every time we go out, we always stop in Robinson.
Hi guys. So, we are back in our favorite place. One guess. And this time we're looking for a door that connects our main house with the new section that we're building in the back. And the easiest is we get the door that already has a door frame. And this one here is the only one they've got. And it's actually a good price. It's 9,700 pesos. And this is the door frame with it. Plus it has a lock already included. Normally these doors you have to buy separately, and that already costs like 5,000. Then you have to buy or build a door frame. Plus you then have to buy a lock separately. So we've been to other places and this actually looks like a good price. There's some other options here, what they call the polywood doors, which is polywood. But they're also well priced. Like this one here. Oh, no, sorry, not that one. Some of these, they're very cheap, but we don't know if they have a door frame with it. But you can build a door frame, and these doors are very cheap because we don't need a fancy door. It's inside and it's just to the back section. So we're trying to find this thing that's the most economical for the application here. We need is also fluted panel for the back door, wall, which is the existing outside wall, which is now becoming an inside wall. Huh?
It's actually wider, this one.
Oh yeah, it's wider.
280.
Yeah, but the color is horrible.
I don't like the color.
Ah, yellow, pink, orange, zany. Yeah, we're probably going to go back to Triumph, where we bought some of the other things. They have better prices on some of these things. Yeah, it looks like there's no door frame from the other doors, so
it's expensive. So
yeah.
This one with you.
Yeah, it's going to be this one. It's up there. This is all without door frames, all of them. It's nice. It's with the shiny door lip at the bottom. But not this one, no? We have it in, presumably they have it in a box somewhere in the back. This one is just for display. And it looks a bit damaged already. Yeah. We found the spot with aircon.
Stress already, guys. Tiring.
It's tiring. First we have a language issue because I'm explaining something and nobody understands me. Then I have to convince Shella somehow of what I'm explaining so that she can explain to the other guy. Oh my god. It all happened offline for a reason.
We cannot.
We're still simmering down.
Because we're always fighting, guys. You think we're sweet? No. We always
You
fight.
should see off camera. It's okay. Keeps us healthy. Now the issue is they don't have in stock the size we wanted because we actually, and the how can I say, the way it opens, we wanted to open that way. This one opens to the left. We wanted to open to the right, but they don't have that in stock. They only have this one available. But now it turns out another guy arrives, and it turns out they have them in brown, which is actually even better. So now they've gone back to check if they have in brown, opening to the right. I know it sounds complicated, but this is what we're dealing with. Oh, so maybe we have success. What are they bringing us now?
Very good.
Here comes the big unwrapping. Oh, it's nice. Yeah. It's like a walnut finish. It's nice. Looks classy.
Oh yeah, still.
We have success. They have one 80 centimeters wide in brown opening to the right. Ta-da! Ticks all the boxes.
Yep.
After looking in the stock room.
God. Buying the floated next time.
Guys, don't build a house. Your life gets overly complicated. We're not quite finished yet. We need tile spaces because they have to put the grouting between the tiles. And for that they need like a little, it's like when you buy a pizza, that thing that sits in the middle to keep the box from touching the pizza, it looks similar to that. And it's somewhere in here. By the no, this is by the tiles. We need by the accessories. It's not easy to find stuff here. You have to ask for assistance. This place is so big. Oh, on that side. Okay. Got it. Walkies. So they only have these cross type tile spaces, which is sounds like it's not what our builder wants. He wants the one that sticks up and out, like I explained, like a pizza box stand-up thing. So they don't seem to have it, no? I don't know where to buy it because everywhere we check they don't have that. So we can't get the space.
Tired, guys.
We're just waiting for the door now. We're gonna take the one that they picked out now from the storeroom. Yeah, and then we're gonna go back home. Here comes our beloved door. Here we go. Antonio Banderas store. He left his legacy in City Hardware. So this is the brown one. I don't know if you can see. With door frame.
BC. Open lang. Thank you. So,
hi guys, so it's a couple of days since the last update. And we have a balcony. Sorry, the wind's blowing mad today. I think it's the remnants from the typhoon that passed in the north. So now we have a nice railing here and a walkway all the way to the back. And we're getting tiles down. Oh no, the stock is starting again. We're getting our tiles down on the floor. And this is going to be our door. So they're starting to cut through the back here. And then, so there's another layer, the inside layer, and they'll push through. And then the aim is that this door is in by the end of today. Yeah, the paint's going up on the walls. Well, it's dry already. It's nice. And then this is obviously the windows. So hopefully they can continue with the tiles today while the other guys are doing the door. And then the guy that's doing the railing here, once he's finished with all of this, which should be soon, either today or tomorrow, he's the one that's actually doing our windows. So he's going to start on that. Yeah, so we're coming along nicely, day by day. We have a window to the world now at the back. Wow. Nice. Big hole to the world. Yeah. That used to be a wall. So I don't know how they're going to fix it, I guess. Ah, that's why they're putting in steel beams so they can fix the door to the door frame to the steel beam. Ooh, there's a gap. Yeah. Oh, we've bought a light for that. That's not actually what's going to be there. They just put it there so that the wires don't disappear back up into the roof. And that's our new paneling. We tried not to get white. It's a little bit light, but it's okay. Looks alright. If we hadn't bought this one with the well, in Philippines it's called Humber, but it's like the door jamb, yeah, the whole border of the door. They would have had to pull that out of wood and varnish it, treat it, varnish it. It's a lot of work and it costs a lot extra. And this was an all-in-one deal, which is brilliant. And it has everything in it, including the lock as well. Hinges, lock, everything, all in one. Turnkey solution. And it has a design in it which you can't see, but there's a stripe going across in here.
Ay kung mabakal ka kung separate na door, tamaan ka mo, mahal ang door, tapos mahaba.
Really solid. Done. Nice.
It's very nice.
Yeah. Really high security door. It's got 3 locks and it's got another one on top. Wow. But we're gonna put fluted panels here. So you won't see any of this. Yeah, it'll be nice. But right now it's a mess. Oh, everything is lying out. Oh yeah, they're done painting, no? Oh yeah, look. All the white paint is done.
Just the tiles.
Yeah, the tiles need to be finished. Industrial strength railing. It's so strong. We didn't actually ask them to buy such expensive, strong steel. They just went out and bought it. And by the time we came back yesterday from buying other things like the fluted panel, this stuff was already lying here.
Yeah,
But it was too late. Now we have to clean the house because it's an absolute mess. It's so dusty here, the floor. And look at all this here. Yay, yay. And now we have to clean because it is really, really dusty. You can see footprints here from the dust. Oh, that's locked. How does this work?
Somebody don't know how to open it.
Oh, it's got a double lock. Oh my god. Hello world. Goodness, I have to figure this out. Yeah, there's a double lock, double turn.